Yes, I am Sajjad Hussain Shah. Welcome to our channel Dubai Driver 512. Now, today our topic how to get Dubai heavy truck license. Yes, in this video I have explained that how one can get Dubai heavy truck license by completing all the required formalities from RTA. Getting Dubai license can be a complex process, but if you know the entire procedure, you can save your time and money as well as. So, therefore, I made this video for you guys so that you can get to know the entire Dubai heavy truck driving license journey before you getting into it. It will give you an exact idea that what's coming up next being a driving student. If you are new on our channel, so I request to you please subscribe our channel and press the icon button for new and update information on your mobile screen. Dubai heavy truck license category is number 4. The minimum age of apply for Dubai heavy truck driving license is 21. Now, talking about course details. There are two courses for Dubai heavy truck driving license. Considering your existing driving license, if any, for example, if you don't have any prior Dubai driving license of category number 3, light motor vehicle or 6 heavy bus, then you will be considered as beginner and you have to go for 40 training classes course. It's approximately 20 hours. But if you have any lessons of UAE driving lessons of any above mentioned categories, then you will go for 20 training classes course and it's approximately 10 hours. Along with you have to pass mainly on test. That is a 4 test and one is the RTA theory test. After pass, then second test is the RTA parking test and third one is the road assessment test. It's inside school and last one is the final RTA road test. That one is the final test. If you pass that test, definitely you get a driving license number 4. So in this video I have discussed both courses detail considering. Now following is the video's outline which is completely aligned with Dubai heavy truck driving license journey. First of all, when you are ready, mentally ready and getting driving lessons, so first of all you will go for driving school and first one is the registration RTA file opening process. Second one is the medical test and medical test it's a eyes test. And third one is the issue learning permit. For theory lectures you will get theory lectures, then theory test, then training classes and then RTA parking test, and you will get also a night training classes and articulated training classes. Then road assessment test is designed in inside schools. And last one is the RTA road test. It's a final test. So I hope I will explain thoroughly and easily. You will be understands. If you please press likes. If you have any comments, so we'll put on comments. Inshallah ta'ala, I will reply to you. So give us permission. Allah Hafiz, Allah Negeban. So that is the video, and you can see on your mobile screen is the Medina Munawwara, the home of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.